Hello everyone, my orange CraftBot 3D printer from Craft Unix printing a soap holder. I designed this soap holder for my mother, and this soap holder is modeled after this non-3D printed soap holder. I designed the item using Autodesk 123D design, and item is sliced using craftware from Craft Unix. The estimated print time is about 2 hours, and so far it's been printing for 1 hour and 40 minutes. So again, this item which the CraftBot 3D printer is printing is modeled after this lime green soap holder, which is non-3D printed. Thank you for watching.